Hey beautiful soul, my name's Toni. If you're new here, welcome. This is Rawlicious You channel where everything is about raw, living in Thailand and just living the most abundant, beautiful, simple living life. I know for some of us, we are quietly struggling with stubborn belly fat. And there's times I'm definitely not in my best shape right now, but I always seem to remain flat all year round. But I know for some of us, and even I've got a little bit, I know it's not a lot, but you have this little gut that you just can't get rid of. You've tried everything. You think you've tried everything to lose it. You've done ab workouts, detox teas, crash diets, aren't we all? And nothing seems to work. Well, I've got you covered in today's video. I'm going to share with you the real reason why you can't lose belly fat. No gimmicks, no sponsored products, no one weird trick, because we all know it's all BS. We like to think that it's going to be that simple, but it's not. It's actually what really works and works sustainably all the time. So like for me, all year round. As many of you know, I've been 6 years raw vegan, high raw vegan for many years before that, and 15 years vegan. And I've been in the health and wellness for a long time. So I do know my stuff, and I've been in the detox space for such a long time too. And I've actually taken a lot of time out of working out. So I have been doing very, very little. I've just recently signed up to the gym, and I'm going to start doing some before and after pictures. But this is me being quite soft right now. I don't have a lot of muscle definition. I'm slim, but not muscle. And I'm so used to always having muscle. If you've seen previous videos, I did have some good lean body mass. I was around 14, 15%, probably a lot higher than that, around about 18% body fat now. But I'm okay with it. I had to reset my nervous system. So if you want coaching on resetting your nervous system, if things are too intense, like a lot of workouts at the time, it just wasn't doing me any good at all. I was just too burnt out. But we can still remain slim and keep our slim tummy all year round without even really working out. However, I do recommend, especially as we're getting older, to do strength training. But we'll talk about that. First, let's talk about why you do have belly fat. Well, the things I'm going to go over is a combo of excess body fat, water retention, bloating, poor gut health, stress, and posture. Stress hormone cortisol triggers fat storage around the midsection. Food intolerances and gut issues can make you look heavier than even if it's not fat. Most people ignore gut health and stress, focus only on diet, workouts, and that's why they get stuck. Because I was the same. But it's all encompasses your lifestyle. And the truth about spot reduction, you cannot burn belly fat by doing ab workouts. You lose fat overall, and the midsection goes down as your total body fat drops. Most transformation comes from food, stress management, and gut health, not workouts alone. Especially as you get older, it just doesn't work as it used to, just working out. I had a poor diet for many years, and just working out got me so far. But as you get older, as you know, it's not enough. And bloating and water retention make the stomach look fatter than it really is. I've tried the 100 sit-ups a day challenges, the ab rollers, the waist trainers. None of them worked because they're working on the wrong problem. The belly you want to get rid of is 80% about what you eat, how you digest, how you manage stress, and how you sleep. How do we actually get rid of belly fat? It's not under eating. I see so many, they do undereat. And it works. But how is that sustainable? That's why you see so many people so up and down, and why I've stayed consistent to keep slim all year round without restricting my calories. We have to clean up our diet. It's non-negotiable because it's not just how you look, it's how you feel. No fat loss plan works if your food is a mess. Eat whole, natural, water-rich foods. Cut processed food, added sugar, oils, alcohol, and fizzy drinks. Ditch late-night heavy meals. Keep meals simple, less ingredients, easier digestion. It's also inflammation, trapped gas, or water retention. Start your mornings with a hot water and lemon, or a green juice. See my recent green juice, reset plan. That's incredible. Do that for 3 days. Watch a noticeable difference. You can add probiotics like coconut yogurt if you tolerate it. Limit heavy, hard to digest food combos. Pay attention to food sensitivities. We generally don't get this when we're eating a whole foods natural diet. That's why I encourage the raw food lifestyle diet. Yes, we still need to move consistently. We are very sedentary, many of us. I do. I sit down most of the time. I now try to walk a little bit more. I've been doing a lot shorter walks. Now the weather's not so great here, raining a bit, but I encourage walking, doing some strength training. This will move the lymphatic fluid, improve your digestion, and reduce your stress hormones. But also we burn calories as well. You could even do core stabilizing exercises like planks, leg raises, twists. These do help. But yes, daily walking is so underrated. Get yourself a rescue dog. Go out every day. Go and take the pup out for a walk. Enjoy the nature. Enjoy your surroundings. Crucial, manage your stress and get a good night's sleep. I did a sleep video. Check that out. Why it's so key to have good rest, good night's sleep between even ideally 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Get yourself into a good routine. I like going between 9 and 10, and I'm up between 5 and 6. This is going to help with your cortisol, especially throughout the day, because when your cortisol is high, your belly fat will stick. At least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. Meditation, breath work, nature walks, unplugging from social media and screens at night. Water is a natural detox. It flushes excess water, improves digestion, and it boosts metabolism. If you're eating a lot of fruit like myself, high water-rich fruits, then I don't need to drink an awful lot. But if you're eating heavy, which I don't recommend, heavy, dense foods, cooked foods, you want to be drinking minimum 2 to 3 litres per day, ideally with lemon water or cucumber. Mix it up. This will help reduce bloating. Hydrate first thing in the morning upon waking. So if you really want to flatten your stomach, not by starving yourself, but by nourishing your body, do a 3-day fruit only cleanse or my 3-day green reset juice cleanse. You'll drop excess water, reduce inflammation, and clear out your gut. But remember, from the reset, you want to start incorporating raw, whole, living foods. Make this a lifestyle. So, to recap, clean up your diet is essential. Heal your gut. Move your body daily. Manage your stress and sleep. Hydrate well. And most importantly, be patient. Your body responds to consistency, not perfection. If you stay committed to these foundations, your belly will shrink naturally and your overall health will improve too. So no more gimmicks, no fast dieting, no restriction, just real natural health. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, also turn on the bell notification to be notified of when the next videos are. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.